Hey guys, it's Kathy with the Usborne bookshelf. This is the Wind Up Pirate Ship. It comes with a wind up model pirate ship and 3 tracks. So let's take a look. There is a little pirate story about Captain Blackjack, and he gets his crew and all these strange things happen. And as you read the story, your child will wind up the little toy pirate ship, place it on the start, and it will go around the track. Every other page has more of a storyline, and then another track, more storyline, and the last page is the last track. So I will get this pirate ship out and let's take a look and see what it does. When you are all finished with the book, you put it right back in its little home, put the covering on it, and close the book. That is the Wind Up Pirate Ship.